Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial skill for anyone in healthcare: therapeutic communication. How do we acknowledge a patient's progress without making them feel judged? Let's explore a common scenario to see this in action. Meet Olive. She was admitted to the hospital 3 days ago. Today, she's taken a significant step in her self-care. She has bathed, put on a clean dress, and neatly combed her hair. A nurse walks in and notices the change. The nurse wants to acknowledge this progress. What's the best way to do it? Let's look at 4 possible responses and break them down. First up, option A. Something is different about you today. What is it? Now, this might seem harmless, but it's actually quite vague. It can put Olive on the spot, making her feel like she's being tested or scrutinized. Instead of feeling supported, she might feel pressured to explain herself. In therapeutic communication, clarity is key, and this approach is too ambiguous. It doesn't create a supportive opening for a conversation. Next, let's consider option B. Oh, I'm so pleased that you finally put on a clean dress. This one has a couple of red flags. First, the word finally. It implies a long, overdue wait and can sound critical, as if the nurse was disappointed with her before. It carries a history of judgment. Second, the phrase, "I'm so pleased," centers the nurse's feelings, not the patient's. Our goal is to empower the patient, not to make them feel like they're performing for our approval. This can inadvertently shame the patient for their previous state. Okay, how about option D? That's good, you have on a clean dress and have combed your hair. This is getting closer, but it still includes a value judgment. That's good. While the intention is positive, labeling the patient's actions as good or bad puts the nurse in a position of authority or judgment. Therapeutic communication aims to be non-evaluative. We want to empower patients to recognize their own progress and build internal motivation, not to seek external validation from us. The goal is to foster their autonomy, not to give them a gold star. So, what's the best approach? Let's look at option C. I see that you have worn a clean dress and have combed your hair. This is the gold standard, and here's why. It's a simple, objective observation. The nurse is stating facts without adding any praise, criticism, or personal feelings. It acts as a mirror, reflecting Olive's actions back to her. This technique, called making observations, acknowledges her effort in a neutral, respectful way. It opens the door for Olive to share how she feels about it, giving her control of the conversation. It communicates, "I see you. I recognize the effort you've made," without any underlying judgment. This validates her action and supports her self-esteem, empowering her on her recovery journey. So, to recap, when acknowledging a patient's progress, stick to objective, non-judgmental observations. It's a subtle but powerful tool that respects patient autonomy and truly supports their well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.